Okay.
So what the fuck is white blanket?
So we've got the white blanket next. How would you like to listen to it? 108 or at a 76?
I think 108 because I'm a little afraid to listen to this one at 76. Is this an actual set or is this?
Yes. You can be a grown man and walk out on stage to the white blanket. That's the first tune.
Okay. I mean, this is not great.
I think you're gonna love Rub the Bag.
This is very short.
This is a nice 108. Oh, it's got a little bit left. That's kind of nice. I thought it was about to finish. Even more bars.
Would you do this at 76?
Probably not. I don't think I've ever seen a white blanket 76 yet.
I mean, there's a lot of space.
Not that it's a bad thing, but it sounds a little bit like a rainy day.
Yeah. I mean, the way that, I don't know if it's the tune or if it's the way that they're playing it, but like there's a lot of space that you could do like a lot of really cool stuff because there isn't much to the music, like there isn't much to the tune. Like I would rather hear this at a 76. I think.
All right, where should we place White Blanket?
I don't know if it should go to F.
I
say behind Rodney.
I'm an F for this. We're gonna combine our scores, by the way.
It is the worst that we've heard so far. But then it's high F.
High F. We'll remember it.
I think the 76 is what would like brought my score up to like a low C.